Are you ready to say goodbye to monolithic architecture? Join us for Embracing Headless Commerce with SAP Spartacus on March 10th. With Spartacus, you get headless architecture, a single-page application with PWA features, a customizable and extendable storefront, painless upgrades, and future-minded platform made for the evolving commerce landscape, and greater adaptability through increased platform agility. Join SAP's Bill Marcotte and Royal Cyber's Anthony Young and Abdul Wahab to learn what Spartacus is, what it does, and what's ahead for the platform. See how Spartacus allows businesses to upgrade faster, save money, and expand sales opportunities. You'll also learn how Royal Cyber combines SAP Spartacus with in-house solutions for business growth. Don't wait. Save your seat today by registering at royalcyber.com.